They're rich, famous, and know how to use a wrench. When we think of celebrities and cars, we picture them cruising in Lamborghinis, dropping millions on Bugattis, or hiring someone to detail their rides with diamond-studded interiors. But what if I told you some of the world's biggest stars actually get their hands dirty, building, restoring, and even designing cars from scratch? These aren't just Hollywood's elite. They re true gearheads who live and breathe horsepower, torque, and custom builds. Whether it's Keanu Reeves designing motorcycles from the frame up, or Jay Leno restoring vintage beasts in his own garage, let's pop the hood. These celebs prove that passion can't be bought, it's built. Some of these builds are straight up works of art, others total madness on wheels. Either way, number 4 will make your jaw drop. These stars aren't just gearheads, they're creators. Ready to meet the stars who don't just drive, they create. Here's a list of 10 celebrities who built or heavily modified their cars from scratch, either by getting hands-on in the garage or working closely with custom builders to create truly one-of-a-kind rides. Top 10 celebrities who built their cars from scratch. 1. Keanu Reeves, Arch Motorcycle KRGT1 built. Co-founded Arch Motorcycle Company. Hands-on involvement. Designed the KRGT1 from the ground up with Gard Hollinger. What makes it unique? A fully custom-built performance cruiser combining American V-twin muscle with precision handling. Cool fact: Keanu is involved in every detail, from design to testing too. Jay Leno minus 1,934 Voice and C to 5 Aerodyne restored in his own garage with his team. Hands-on involvement. Jay often gets his hands dirty with welding, machining, and engine rebuilding. What makes it unique? French Art Deco classic with a rare aerodynamic body. Cool fact: Jay has over 180 cars and motorcycles, many restored or customized under his direct supervision. 3. Paul Walker, Nissan Skyline GT-R R30 for built. Personally modded his own Skyline. Hands-on involvement, worked with tuner shops, and helped build the car for Fast and Furious 4. What makes it unique? Street legal, right-hand drive GT-R with full performance mods. Cool fact: Paul was a real-life car lover and racer, not just an actor playing the part. 4. John Cena, custom Corvette C7 incinerator built. Custom one-off project with Parker Brothers Concepts. Hands-on involvement, directed the concept and worked on design cues. What makes it unique? Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Completely unrecognizable from its Corvette roots. Cool fact: the car has flamethrowers and jet engine styling. 5. Eric Bana 197 for Ford XB Falcon Coupe built, restored, and raced it in the Australian Targa Tasmania Rally. Hands-on involvement, lifelong passion project. He personally helped restore the car. What makes it unique? Aussie muscle car turned street legal race beast. Cool fact: he made a documentary about it called Love the Beast 6. Elon Musk, Lotus Esprit submarine replica A.K.A. Wet Nelly built, rebuilding as a functional electric submersible. Hands-on involvement, bought the original Bond car and is customizing it with Tesla technology. What makes it unique? From a movie prop to a real aquatic Eve. Cool fact: inspired part of the Tesla Cybertruck's design. 7. Tim Allen minus 1,933 Ford Roadster built. Ground up build with his own crew. Hands-on involvement. Tim is a serious gearhead and works in his garage regularly. What makes it unique? Old school hot rod with modern tech and custom detailing. Cool fact: he also built his own Ford GT500 with a supercharged V8 and custom finish. 8. Travis Pastrana, custom Subaru WRX STI built. Modified in partnership with Subaru Motorsports USA. Hands-on involvement, helped design the stunt-ready build for Gymkhana 2020. What makes it unique? 862 HP, all-wheel drive monster made for flips, jumps, and drifts. Cool fact: car was completely custom built for his wild Gymkhana stunts. 9. Brian Johnson AC/DC Bentley Blower Tribute built. Recreated from scratch as a tribute to 1920s racing, Bentley's hands-on involvement worked with custom builders to spec every detail. What makes it unique combines vintage racing charm with modern reliability. Cool fact: Johnson is a true petrol head with a huge collection of vintage cars. 10. Will I Am the Auto custom car built from scratch using a mix of Chrysler and Dodge parts. Whether it's restoring a classic, designing an entirely new ride, or personally turning wrenches, these stars prove that passion can drive innovation, even in Hollywood. Or car blog post, let me know and I'll tailor it. Hands-on involvement, conceptualized and helped design it himself. What makes it unique? Futuristic body, suicide doors, and built-in tech. Cool fact: built to inspire kids from his neighborhood to explore engineering and robotics. Final thoughts: these celebrities don't just collect cars, they create them. Want this formatted as a YouTube video script, Instagram Reel series,